Unlock it.
Oh yeah, and this shit is vibrating every time you do something.
Do that.
That's crazy.
Start it. Not touching no buttons.
Not touching nothing. He just started his. So after spending literally the whole day cleaning this joint, now it's finally time for my little installation. I think this will be a very, very big game-changing factor to the channel, because for some reason I have a hard time, bro, picking up the camera and just keep on recording. Like, I'm always missing something. Like, feel me, this year I'm gonna try to do better, man. 2023, I said, feel me, I'm coming. I'm gonna try my best to do just that. So, that being said, you get where I'm going, man. But yeah, you got that Nexar Pro, whatever that means. You feels me? That Amazon special. Anyways, this joint is supposed to be alright. Supposed to have like a little GPS and all that. Ooh, pop goes the weasel, my boy. I ain't gonna think I'm gonna be warning anybody with them stickers, but oh, okay. I'll hit y'all with a little quick unboxing, man. Bear with me, I only got one hand, bro. Oh, come on, boy. Oh, hey, man, gotta do it. I'm sorry. Oh, how cute. Safe driving. Yeah, we do a lot of that. That's a fact. Let's set this thing up. I ain't gonna bore y'all with it, man. Let's get that up there. So I definitely got it in. Got it hooked up. Pause when I got it in though. But yeah, this is cool, but the only thing I don't like is this wiring. Like, this is a lot of wires, so this is why I'm glad I got this first, because this is definitely gonna have to get. Ooh, it's talking to me. Okay. Definitely gonna have to get this hardwired so we can have better features available. But that's it, man. I'm about to see what I can find that's interesting and record that shit and see if this can catch it. This is cool though, man. This is a start. Back from Dodge after getting the center console replaced. that security system on and popping, man. You know what I mean?
Boy, I was pissed last time. Last time, other video you can see, I wasn't really saying much.
Yeah, you was really tight, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. But now my son, he bouncing back hard. Now this is something that I'm gonna definitely have to do next. All of us. Can't wait to see how this turned out, because this is very important right here. I'm paying that over.
Sensitivity up if you want, you can turn it down. So if you want it sensitive, like allow.
Oh. Boys over there talking about the 2 Hellcats right now. I remember them days, man.
Back in them days, man.
As long as you talking about getting it, y'all gonna get it one day, man.
It's not the last stop, though.
That's a fact, not for us at all, but we just getting started. Continuation from the other day. The other day, if you couldn't understand me. But yeah, boy, this boy SRTJOE, man, I went and pulled the trigger. Got that good old Comstar. Let me see if I can mess around with it. Yeah, man, official tissue.
Sure.
How you make the alarm go off?
I usually do it through my phone. I ain't even figured that
Oh yeah,
out.
show them the app, bro. Word.
And I get y'all address in here.
That's a fact. Gotta be very careful.
Yeah.
All the features. My favorite feature about this Comstar thing, the dude said, it has a system where it's a rolling pin. So it's like it changes the key, the code, like every day.
Lock it. Unlock it. Is it?
Oh yeah, and this shit is vibrating every time you do something.
Do that.
That's crazy.
Start it. You're not touching no buttons.
Not touching nothing. He just started his car from his phone, man. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's fire though. I ain't gonna lie, this boy. That's how you come back, man. That's how you come back. I like it. Feel me? Got all the securities, all that thing to go crazy and go dumb. Hey, you know what's going on, man. Ain't letting these little fools over here stop none. Ain't stopping none. That boy done bounced back 10 times harder now. Look at that quick. Wow. It's hella cold today, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, but this winter we ain't stopping no content, man. We gonna keep getting it. This boy really going crazy, man. I need that for my joint. Got the whole lineup. Get back with y'all. Hit that motherfucker again. Get away from me. Get away from me. Oh, bro, that shit is talking now, boy. Yes, sir.
It's sad, man.
Man, listen.
Dodge ain't upgrading shit from 2015 all the way to 2023.
That's a fact.
You can hit the glass all you want. That shit ain't gonna make no noise.
Man, listen, bro. 2 seconds, man. I'm getting that. I need that, bro. I'm telling y'all, boy got the big Hellcat badge on that motherfucker. Ain't been here in a while, but pulling up the Best Buy to get some air tags. Wow, I wasn't even recording. Failed mission, y'all. Wasn't able to get in. This bad boy's looking bad out here, though. Let's get out of here. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. It's cold, boy. But you, whatever you want to do, nigga, you got room. So, all right, bro. My bitch not 100 though. I ain't jacking this shit. Engine light and engine mount, that's too much.
Yeah.
I ain't about to play myself, boy. I'll wait till I get my joint 100% for sure, cause I already know.
You already know.
I be wildin', bro. No.
Trust me, ruined. Bitch, I've been getting before I met you. Bitch, I've been into it.
For this video, man. As you can see, we got a lot to tackle. We definitely got a lot to tackle in the next vid, so now I gotta get to it. I gotta rack it up, cause we definitely gotta go see Richie, man. We gonna get it together, man. If you liking this content, like, comment, and subscribe, bro.